everythingRF. Latest products this week, 22 to 28 August, 2024. Power film chip attenuators from DC to 8 GHz by Spectrum Control. Ferrite junction waveguide isolator from 57 to 64 GHz by Renaissance Electronics Corporation. Interdigital bandpass filter with a passband from 37 to 40 GHz for SATCOM applications by Nuvotronics Incorporated. Two-way Wilkinson power divider from 2 to 18 GHz by Scientific Microwave Corporation. 8-channel 90 dB digital attenuator from 200 to 8,000 MHz by Vonix. Impedance-matched pickoff T from DC to 110 GHz by SHF Communication Technologies. Wire wound ferrite core chip inductors up to 200 Nh by Coilcraft. 1000-watt solid-state power amplifier from 1 to 2.5 GHz by Exodus Advanced Communications. Benchtop automated impedance tuner from 1.8 to 8.0 GHz by Mori Microwave. Fixed attenuator from DC to 26.5 GHz by Mecca. Sub-octave switch filter bank from 2 MHz to 8 GHz by Attec Midas. 20 dB surface mount directional coupler from 8 to 12 GHz by TTM Technologies. Back mount shield test box from 20 MHz to 12 GHz by RF Electronics. 1.0 mm OS/LT calibration kit from DC to 116.5 GHz by Spinner Group. 2.4 by 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 companion IC for IoT applications by Nordic Semiconductor. 2.4 GHz RF front-end IC for Bluetooth applications by Qorho. 3GPP Release 14 Global LTE Cat 1bis module for IoT applications by Kavli Wireless. 5G surface mount antenna from 698 to 3800 MHz by Quectel. Low noise amplifier from 10 kHz to 22 GHz by Analog Devices. InP-GAAS cryogenic low noise amplifier from 8.4 to 8.5 GHz by TTI. 20-watt GaN power amplifier from 2 to 6 GHz by RFHIC. 64T64R MIMO 5G backhaul radio from 3.55 to 3.7 GHz by a GTG-SS. C-band low noise block from 3.4 to 4.2 GHz by Actox. Multi-channel networking radio for unmanned aircrafts from 30 to 512 MHz by L3 Harris Technologies. Near-field microprobes for EH field measurements from 500 kHz to 6 GHz by Langer EMV Technic.
Everything RF, keeping you up to date with the RF and microwave industry.